Hello students, let us learn lesson number 6. It's only a matter of practice. Long, long ago in faraway China, there lived an archer called Chen Yaozi. He was a very skilled archer and could perform wonderful feats of archery. He could hit the target precisely at the center even when it was placed at a very long distance. He liked to show off his skill to the admiring crowds that gathered around him. In this paragraph, we are told about a character, one of the character of the story, that is Chen Yaozi. And he was living in China. And who was he? He was an archer. But how he was? He was a very skilled archer. He was perfect in his field. And how? Because he could hit the target precisely, means he could hit the target exactly. And how did he do it? He can do it even at a very long distance, and he liked to show off his skill to other people. One day he was practicing his skill in front of many admirers when he noticed an old man standing at the back. The man was carrying gourds of oil that were hanging from a long cane on his shoulder. All the other people were clapping their hands and praising Chen Yaozi, but this old man was quiet. He neither clapped nor uttered words of praise. He just stood there nodding his head and said, "It's just a matter of practice." One day, when Yaozi was showing his skill, all the people who were present were clapping for him. But the old man did not do anything. And who was he? He was carrying some gourds. In the first slide, I have shown you some pictures of gourds. So, those kind of gourds were with him, and that those gourds were filled with oil. And that old man was a oil seller. And Chen Yaozi saw him, that he was not praising himself, that Yaozi, that old man was not praising Yaozi, and Yaozi did not like it. And when he old man said something, that, and what was that? He just said, "It just a matter of practice." Chen Yaozi was annoyed. "Are you an archer yourself? Do you think anyone can do what I can do with my bow and arrows?" "No, sir," the old man replied. "I am not an archer, and I don't doubt your skill. All I said was everything's a matter of practice." Yaozi did not like old man's behavior, so he asked old man that was he an archer, or did he know something about it? Then old man replied, no, he did not know anything, but he was again and again saying the same thing. And what was that thing? He said it, everything is a matter of practice. Chen Yaozi became very angry. "What do you know that you pass such thoughtless comments on other people? Who are you?" Chen Yaozi did not like old man's attitudes, and he became very angry. And he asked again him that who was he? "Please don't get angry, sir. I am an oil seller, as you must have guessed from the gourds. Every day I fill these gourds with oil and sell them. Over the years, I have achieved some skill in filling the gourds. If you allow, I will show it to you." The old man was requesting Chen Yaozi to show his skill to all of them, as he was saying everything is a matter of practice. Growled Chen Yaozi. Everybody was curious to see what would happen next. Growled means a sound in throat, and curious means what? To eager to know about something. Everybody who was present in the crowd was eager to see what that old man would do. Now let us see what the old man was doing on page number 13. Patiently, the old man set down an empty gourd on the ground. Then he put a small coin on the mouth of the gourd. In those days, small coins had a little hole at the center. Then the old man stood up, took some oil in his ladle, and began to pour oil into the gourd from a height. The oil went straight into the gourd, through the hole in the coin. When the old man had finished filling up the gourd, he lifted up the coin. Not a trace of oil could be seen on it. As I said you, on the first slide or the main page of our lesson, I have given some pictures so you can see it what kind of gourd was that. And now we are getting a chance to see the picture of coin on page number 13. Here we see a round shape, that is a coin. This coin is kept on the goat's mouth, and on page number 12 we can see that this old man is pouring some oil through the ladle. Ladle means what? A long with a means it is kind of a spoon with long stand. So with that ladle he was pouring some oil into the gourd, and while doing it, not a trace of oil could be seen on the coin. So it was not an easy thing to do, but that old man had did it. And how he had done it? As he had said, everything is a matter of practice. The people watching it were speechless with wonder, as we can also get surprised that how is it possible. When we see the picture again on page number 12, look it properly, look at this picture properly, how that old man was pouring oil from the height. It is not an easy thing. But the old man only smiled. As I said, there is nothing special about it. It's only a matter of practice, you see. But the old man's answer was the same, that he had been doing this thing for many years, so he has achieved some skill. Because of practice, he has got a skill to pour the oil into the gourd without a trace of oil on it. So he did not boast or show off like Yaozi. Chen Yaozi lost all his anger and annoyance. He just gave a short laugh and said, "You have taught me something important today." And this time Yaozi did not get angry at all, because he had got a lesson from the old man, that yes, because of practice we can do anything what we want. After that, Chen Yaozi never showed off or boasted about his skill as an archer. And again Chen Yaozi got a lesson. Again means Chen Yaozi had seen that thing himself, that because of practice, if the old man can do it, what was he doing? It was also a matter of practice. So he did not showed off or boasted about his skill after that. So we can take a moral from this lesson, or we can get a message from this lesson, that we can also achieve something by practicing. Now let us turn to the exercise. Question 1. Who was Chen Yaozi? Second, what did he like? Third, what did the old man say? Fourth, what would the old man do? Describe it in one sentence. One sentence. The first three questions are easy. Now I am explaining this fourth one. Uh, what could the old man do? We can write it in short note too, but here we are asked to write in only one sentence. So write in only one line or one sentence. Last question. What did Chen Yaozi tell the old man at the end? So all the answers are here. Now question 2. Use the following in your own sentences. Here are some phrases we should use it in a sentence. Show off. Show off means when someone is boasting, someone is exaggerating his skill. Next, annoyed. Annoyed means little angry. Third, doubt. Doubt means when you are not sure about something. Next, if you allow. Allow means to give permission for something. Next, not a trace means not any mark or without any mark. And last is boasted. Boasted is also boasted means also to show off. So here are the answers. Now let us see the question number 3. If you were to master one skill, what would you like to learn? How will you learn it? As I told you that by practicing we can achieve, we can do anything, or that thing would be done in easy way. So here also we are asked that which thing we would like to do by practicing, and how will you do it, how will you learn it. So I have given here example of playing tabla. If you want to give another example, you can write here. In this way we have finished our lesson and exercise too. Listen it carefully and understand it. Thank you.